So to knit a stitch, you go in through the back of the stitch, wrap the yarn around and pull it through. Your yarn is always in back of your work when you're knitting a stitch. Again, we're starting the second row. We put the yarn in, both needles are pointing in the same direction. Put in through the front loop, then your yarn is in back and it wraps around your needle and you pull it through. Again, a knit row. This is our third row. Again, we start, the yarn will be in back. We'll wrap around the stitch and pull through, in through the back, wrap around and pull through. And as you can see here, we have a number of knit stitch rows, and we call this garter stitch.